Hey there, homeowners. Welcome to a journey that will transform the way you think about your home and its energy consumption. Whether you're building a new house from the ground up or giving your current home a much-needed facelift, energy efficiency should be at the forefront of your plans. It's not just about saving money, but also about creating a sustainable future for generations to come. Building a new home or revamping your current one? Either way, the choices you make now will have a lasting impact on your energy bills and your carbon footprint. It's an exciting time, filled with possibilities and opportunities to make smart, eco-friendly decisions. Let's talk about a system close to my heart, the electrical system. This is the backbone of your home, the unseen network that powers everything you do. From the lights that brighten your rooms to the outlets that charge your devices, a well-designed electrical system is crucial. It's the lifeline of your home, powering everything from your morning coffee to those Friday night movies. Imagine a day without electricity. No hot showers, no cooked meals, no entertainment. That's why it's so important to get it right. But here's the thing, a well-planned, energy-efficient electrical system doesn't just power your life, it saves you money in the long run. Energy-efficient homes use less power, which means lower utility bills and more money in your pocket. Plus, they reduce your environmental impact, making your home a greener place to live. That's right, folks, we're talking lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. By investing in energy-efficient technologies and practices, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier planet. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Think of it like this. An energy-efficient home is like a well-oiled machine. Every part works together seamlessly, reducing waste and maximizing performance. Just like a car engine that runs smoothly and efficiently, your home can operate at its best with the right systems in place. It runs smoothly, wastes less, and saves you money on unnecessary repairs. Regular maintenance and smart upgrades can keep your home in top shape, preventing costly breakdowns and ensuring everything runs efficiently. In this journey toward a greener and more economical home, we'll explore the steps to building a top-notch electrical system that's both efficient and reliable. From planning and design to installation and maintenance, we'll cover everything you need to know to create a home that's energy efficient and future-proof. From understanding your energy consumption, to embracing energy-saving appliances, and tapping into the power of the sun, we'll cover it all. We'll show you how to monitor your energy use, choose the best appliances, and even harness solar energy to power your home. We'll also delve into the world of smart home technology and unravel the mysteries of advanced wiring techniques. Smart home systems can make your life easier and more efficient, allowing you to control your home's energy use with the touch of a button. So, are you ready to build a home that's not only beautiful but also energy efficient? Let's get started. Together we'll create a space that's comfortable, cost-effective, and kind to the environment. Welcome to the future of home energy efficiency. Before we dive into the exciting world of energy-efficient gadgets and gizmos, let's take a step back and understand the energy flow in your home. Your home is like a living organism, with energy being its lifeblood. Every appliance, every light bulb, and every electronic device contributes to the overall energy consumption. By understanding this flow, you can pinpoint where energy is being used efficiently and where it might be wasted. Think of it as reading your home's energy language. Just like learning a new language, it takes time and effort, but the rewards are immense. A smart meter can be your best friend in this journey, providing real-time data on your energy usage. This data can help you identify patterns and make adjustments to reduce waste. An energy audit is like a checkup for your home. It tells you how much energy you're using, where you're using it, and where you're wasting it. During an audit, professionals use tools like thermal cameras to detect heat loss, and they inspect systems like HVAC to ensure they're running efficiently. Even a DIY audit can reveal surprising insights. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what you discover. Many homeowners are shocked to find out how much energy is wasted on things like outdated appliances or poor insulation. But don't worry, this is just the first step towards making positive changes. You can hire a professional energy auditor or try a DIY approach using online tools and resources. Professional auditors bring expertise and advanced tools, but DIY audits can be just as effective if you're willing to put in the time. There are plenty of online guides and apps that can help you through the process. Once you know your home's energy habits, you can make informed decisions about upgrades and improvements. This could mean anything from sealing leaks and adding insulation to upgrading to energy-efficient appliances. The key is to prioritize changes that offer the best return on investment. It's like having a roadmap to energy savings. With a clear plan, you can tackle one project at a time, gradually transforming your home into an energy-efficient haven. Each improvement not only saves you money but also contributes to a more sustainable future. Remember folks, knowledge is power. By understanding your energy consumption, you're taking the first step towards building a more efficient and sustainable home. Every small change adds up, and before you know it, you'll see significant reductions in your energy bills and your carbon footprint. So let's get started on this journey to a smarter, greener home. Now let's talk appliances, those workhorses of your home. From refrigerators to washing machines, these everyday heroes can make a big difference in your energy bill. When shopping for new appliances, keep an eye out for the Energy Star label. It's a symbol of energy efficiency, indicating that the appliance meets strict energy-saving standards. Think of it as a seal of approval for energy savings. Investing in Energy Star appliances might cost a bit more upfront, but trust me, the long-term savings are worth it. These energy-efficient wonders use less electricity, which means lower energy bills month after month, year after year. Remember, every kilowatt-hour saved is a step towards a greener planet and a fatter wallet. Let's talk about the future of renewable energy sources like solar power. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun to light up your home and power your appliances. Solar panels are like mini power plants for your rooftop, converting sunlight into electricity. And the best part? Once installed, they provide clean, renewable energy for years to come. Now I know what you're thinking. Mike, what about those cloudy days? Well, that's where battery storage comes in. These energy banks store excess solar energy, so you can use it even when the sun isn't shining. Going solar might seem like a big step, but with advancements in technology and government incentives, it's becoming increasingly affordable and accessible. Section 5. Smart Home, Bright Savings, Automating Energy Efficiency. Now let's step into the future of home automation, smart home technology. These intelligent systems can help you optimize energy use and save money without even lifting a finger. Imagine this. You're at work, and your smart thermostat automatically adjusts the temperature so you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty home. Or how about smart lighting that dims or turns off when you leave a room? Pretty cool, right? Smart home technology is like having an energy-saving sidekick, constantly working behind the scenes to reduce your carbon footprint and save you money. From smart thermostats and lighting to voice-activated assistants that can control your appliances, the possibilities for energy savings are endless. Section 6. Wiring Wonders, Building a Safe and Efficient Electrical System. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of your electrical system, the wiring. A well-designed and properly installed electrical system is crucial for both safety and efficiency. When it comes to wiring, I always recommend hiring a licensed electrician. They have the knowledge and experience to ensure your electrical system is up to code and operating safely. But here are a few things to keep in mind. Using the correct wire gauge is crucial for preventing overheating and electrical fires. Properly labeling all wires and circuits will make future maintenance and troubleshooting a breeze. Remember folks, safety first. Cutting corners on electrical work is never a good idea. Invest in quality materials and professional installation for peace of mind. Section 7. The Big Payoff, Reaping the Rewards of Energy Efficiency. So, we've covered a lot of ground, from understanding your energy use to embracing renewable energy sources and smart home technology. But what's the big payoff? Why go through all this effort? Well folks, the rewards of energy efficiency are plentiful. First and foremost, you'll enjoy lower energy bills month after month. That's money back in your pocket. Second, you'll reduce your carbon footprint, contributing to a healthier planet. But it's not just about the savings and the environment. An energy-efficient home is also a more comfortable home. Proper insulation, energy-efficient windows, and a well-sealed building envelope create a cozy and consistent indoor temperature. Section 8. Your energy-saving journey starts today. Congratulations, homeowners. You've taken the first step towards a more sustainable and energy-efficient lifestyle. This journey is not just about saving money on your energy bills, but also about making a positive impact on the environment and creating a healthier living space for you and your family. You're now well on your way to mastering energy efficiency and building the electrical system of your dreams. By understanding and implementing energy-saving practices, you are contributing to a greener planet. It's a rewarding experience that brings both immediate and long-term benefits. Remember, every step you take towards a greener home, no matter how small, makes a difference. Simple actions like turning off lights when not in use, unplugging devices, and using energy-efficient bulbs can significantly reduce your energy consumption. Start by conducting an energy audit. This will help you identify areas where you can improve energy efficiency. A professional energy audit can provide you with a detailed analysis of your home's energy use and recommend specific measures to enhance efficiency. Swap out old appliances for Energy Star models. These appliances are designed to use less energy without sacrificing performance. By upgrading to energy-efficient appliances, you can save a significant amount on your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. And consider incorporating renewable energy sources like solar panels. Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of power that can greatly reduce your reliance on traditional energy sources. Installing solar panels can also increase the value of your home. Embrace the power of smart home technology. Smart thermostats, lighting systems, and other devices can help you monitor and control your energy use more effectively. These technologies not only make your home more energy efficient, but also add convenience and comfort to your daily life, and prioritize safety with a well-designed and properly installed electrical system. Ensuring that your electrical system is up to code and functioning efficiently is crucial for both safety and energy efficiency. Regular maintenance and upgrades can prevent potential hazards and improve overall performance. And most importantly, share your journey with others. By sharing your experiences and tips, you can inspire your friends, family, and community to take their own steps towards energy efficiency. Social media is a great platform to spread the word and create a ripple effect of positive change. Tell your friends and family about your energy-saving adventures. Host gatherings to showcase the changes you've made and discuss the benefits of energy efficiency. This can encourage others to follow in your footsteps and make their own homes more sustainable. Spread the word about the benefits of energy efficiency, educate others on how they can save money, reduce their environmental impact, and create a healthier living environment. The more people are aware of these benefits, the greater the collective impact we can achieve, and inspire those around you to make a difference. Whether it's through community events, social media, or one-on-one conversations, your enthusiasm and knowledge can motivate others to take action. Together, we can create a brighter and more sustainable future for generations to come. Together, we can create a brighter and more sustainable future for generations to come.